Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to change language setting in Honkai Star Rail application. First of all, open up the Honkai Star Rail game on your smartphone and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're inside the main game, go ahead and tap on the phone icon at the top left corner. Now in the right hand side, go ahead and tap on the gear button. Under the settings menu, go to the fourth option over here, that is language on the left, and then click on the drop down right next to text. You can choose from multiple text languages from this option. Choose your desired option from the list and then click on confirm. Soon after you do that, you will be able to see the text language changed immediately. You can always come back to this page and then select the language of your preference, and that is it. That is how you easily change your display language setting in Honkai Star Rail. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.